Good day everyone, welcome to my tutorial. This is Denise and today I'm going to show you how to create Glassmorphism login page or login pop-up, so whatever you call that. Alright, so as you can see here, this is a sample of a Glassmorphism credit card. But like I said, we are going to create or design a login Glassmorphism page. All right, so what we're going to do first is to get a frame. So let me try iPhone 11. Okay, then let's change the corner radius to 30. All right, 30. Then we are going to change the background. So just click this area here, fill, and change it to image. So I already downloaded a background image, so you can choose whatever you want, but I want this one here. Okay, so that's it. Now what we are going to do next is to create a rectangle, because this is going to be the login pop-up. Okay, let's make it like this size maybe. Okay, so it's really up to you. You can just play around with it. So radius 20, maybe 25. Okay, and the color, the fill, let's change this to linear and just white, no color for now. Okay, and then this one here, let's drag it. Let's drag this to the side. Okay, maybe that's fine. Okay, guess that's fine for now. And then let's add a background. I also downloaded an image. This is a frosted glass texture, so you can just Google it and look it up, and I found this one here, so I'm just gonna show it to you how it looks like. It actually looks like this. Okay, so off you go. Let's open that, and it's here now. Now let's change the opacity to maybe 50. Let me try. So it's up to you, just play around with it, like I said. And maybe this is like, let's try 50. 35 maybe. Or 60, like that. And this one could be 40, 20. Let me try. There's no harm in trying. This one's 70. No, I think 50 is fine. No, I think really 40. This one could be 40. Okay. So far, I think that's fine for now. Then let's add the stroke. Change this to linear. Just white for both sides. And oops. Where did you go? Here. Move that there. Just something like that. Maybe I'll change this to 1.5. Okay, I think that's fine. All right. And close that. So now you can see the difference. I'm really not happy about it. I guess this is fine. What do you think? No, that's too much, really. I'm still not... Okay, I think this is cool. I think this is okay. Or I might change the picture here to... Oh, this one could be... Let me just try this. It's the same. Is this the same? Yes, it is the same. Okay. So what's next is let's add a logo. I'm just gonna get this logo here. I'll copy that. So I don't wanna take much of time in making a logo. Okay, and then same with the text. I'll just copy what I have here. It's just very simple. You just add text and then change the opacity. Okay, I put it there. And it's not your bank, but it's sign up with exclamation point. Okay, then of course the opacity, let's change it to 70. Okay. Just leave the logo like that. And then let's add a rectangle. Okay. I'm just going to zoom this so we can see it better. Then 10. No, that's too much. No, that's 20. Okay, I think this is fine. Yes, it is. And white. Let's try the opacity to 50. Oh, maybe 30. Okay. And then, but I'm not still happy about it. So I'm just going to do it like this. Like that. Okay. And add a stroke, white and linear. So just like this. Okay. I think that's fine. Almost fine. Okay. They're a bit visible. Alright, and all we have to do is just copy that or duplicate it. Okay. And give some space. So if you really want to be so perfect, anyway, this is for the sake of the tutorial. Just want to show you how to make a Glassmorphism sign up or login button. Well, I just said sign up. Did I say sign up or login? I forgot. Anyway, we just have to you can, like I said, you can add a layout grid. So if you want to add a column, so you can change it to 12. There you go. And you can adjust, if it's properly aligned and, just stuff like that. And then if you want to hide it, you just click this I button and that's it. Okay, let's go back, zoom in, and of course, just copy the text. Don't waste your time in, 1 second. Okay, so let's change the text size to, this is going to be username, and it's not going to be bold, just regular. Okay. Just like that, and then copy it, duplicate, username, this could be the email, and then duplicate it, this is going to be the password. Okay, but I think is the text too big? I think so. So I'm going to change that to 17. Oopsie, 17. Okay, this one's 17. I think that's fine. Okay, sign up. I think we're cool now. Then add the last button, which is the sign up button. Duplicate this. Okay, and I'll just type sign up, and of course change the font size to 20. Could be 22. All right, and then put that in the middle, but we are going to put it on top of this icon here. Okay, now let's just try to adjust the text. Okay. And if you feel like they are too close to each other, oops, sorry, I should lock that there. And you feel like they're too close to each other, you can adjust it to whatever you prefer. Okay, this is 17, this one is 17. Okay, and or you can also adjust it like that, so whatever really. And what's next is I'm going to zoom this out. I'm just going to add another this one. Let's change this to 60%, and this one let's try to make some changes or something like that. So it is really up to you. Okay, so this one also we can change like 40. Okay, and the rest like could be, this could be 80%. So if you really like, if you don't want that to be like so transparent. Okay, I think that's, let me just do just a little bit of modification. Let's have 10 here, and the linear 25. Okay, I think that's better. And I'll add an effect, background blur. Let's make it let's see, let's try 50. Okay, could be 40. Nice, but I think I'll go for 35. Okay, so that's it, guys. That looks better now. I think we're done. So I hope this video helps you, and if it does, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for your time, and keep on practicing. Let's keep getting better in this UI design, because we are all learning here. So thanks, guys. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Ciao.